Today I'm going to show you how to remove a wheel skin, show you what a wheel skin is. The fellow that took this off last time, he thought it was a hubcap and he was prying it with a pry bar and he damaged the skin right there. These are usually only available on a set and they're a little bit expensive, so I'm going to show you the process of how it works and how to get it off. So there's the wheel without the skin. And there's the chrome skin. They look very good. In fact, there's one on the back here. On the rest of the wheels, they're a little dirty, but it really makes it look like you have chrome rims when you don't. So the way this works is you have the wheel, you have the skin, you got this little pressure cap, a wing nut, and then the little center cap. So if you put this in by itself, that will not hold, that will go straight through. So the idea here is we're going to put the hubcap on first and then put this one in the back. We can even put it on now. Well, we'll leave it off for now. We'll take that out. And we're going to put this skin on. There's the little hole for the valve. And we're going to line everything up and get that on. It's going to sort of click in there. Not enough to hold it. Line it up. So there's nothing really to hold it on. So we're going to put this piece on the back, which in itself isn't enough to hold it on, but the pressure of it will do that. Works like a wedge to the skin. To get that pin through the center. Easier said than done when you do it from the back side. Okay, that's in. And now, all we have to do is tighten the wing nut. And that will create like a wedge effect. And we'll hold that on. Start to spread those little splines on the back of the skin itself. As we tighten it, it gets, now that's on there now. That little wedge effect is what does it. So make sure before you take a wheel cover off that it's not a skin. And you want to reverse what I'm doing if it is a skin. All right, we got it nice and tight. Check the back. That's not going to move. Nothing's moving. And then we're going to put the center cap on. That fits in those little holes. It's got little splines. Make sure that's on good. And now we're just going to mount the tire like normal. So if you're taking it off, you want to take the center cap out, loosen the wing nut, and then it'll separate. It's going to be a little tighter, but you want to just tap on that center pin that came through, and that'll help ease the wedge pressure. But understanding how it works will make it easy. I hope this helped. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching.